horse stance, opposite arm, opposite leg lift with TVA activation. So we are building upon all of these techniques that we've been introduced to. So we will take our dowel for the 3 points of contact with our head in between our shoulder blades and our pelvis to make sure that we have the proper form. And as we keep that on there, it'll stay on there if we're also moving slowly and stabilizing. So we aren't muscling with our rectus abdominis or our washboard abs, but we are actually stabilizing with our transverse abdominis. So I will put this on me, and what we will do is slow and steady, then challenge a sling pattern at a time. So we'll focus on my left arm and right leg, do all those repetitions, and then we'll switch sides. As always, this will show you where the weak parts are, which sling pattern is dominant, and then we'll start approaching and applying. So let me show you here. So again, head, shoulders, pelvis, and then I will get into this good horse stance position. This is difficult for everybody. Right here. So then we'll do the diaphragmatic breath. Breathing into the lowest part of our lungs, exhaling through pursed lips. And pulling our belly button back to spine right here. I will lift my opposite arm, opposite leg. Trying to maintain a TVA activation, a small hold at the top, and then we'll come back down. So then I will show you that on my opposite sling pattern, take the breath in, exhale through pursed lips, and then we'll lift my left arm, right leg. Bring it up as high as you can, and then slowly lower. So you saw how slow and controlled I approach that because we want this to stabilize us. This is not, I know that everybody can muscle that up. I know that you're capable of that. I want to know that your inner unit can support your spine structurally so that this can apply to when you're walking, running, squatting, whatever you approach in life. So make sure that we are slow, steady, and then again, we take the information and we'll apply. And if our right arm, left leg sling pattern needs a little bit more attention, then we'll show it to it.